Renovations. Hi, Barry and Deborah. I'm Shregg, Greg Kemper, and behind the camera is my wife Jennifer. We have a 2006 Jayco Seneca 35-foot RV. It's about 10 years old, 14 years old, so the carpet was wore out. So we decided, you know, we got to freshen this thing up. So we decided to put in some floors, some laminate floors. They're a click lock floor, if you will. I believe that's what they're called. So initially, when we did the tear out, well, some lessons learned you talk about is there's a lot of staples underneath the carpet here. There's a lot of staples, and it holds a lot of dirt. So when you're pulling out your floors, be very aware that you're going to be stepping on staples. It took a long time to get the staples out, but you have to get every doggone one of them. Now, a friend of mine has laid several of these floors. So rather than doing it myself and taking the entire summer, I asked him to do it. He did it in a matter of an afternoon. So it was well worth having an expert come in and actually lay the floor. So we did add these trim areas over here, you can see, because this floating floor does need about a 1/4 inch of space in between the walls. So it sort of floats around. And you can see the edge there that Jennifer's looking at right now. That's the actually only part of this floor that I did myself. And I'm pretty proud of that. I only had to measure once and cut 3 times. Over here we have where the old couch was, and we decided we needed a new one. The old one was a sleeper couch, and it weighed about 748 pounds. It was very heavy. So we got this one. It's a wall hugger, or as I call it, a tree hugger, and it really stays close to the wall, and you can go out all the way. So we essentially eliminated a bed, and we have to replace it with this. So now very short people can spend the night. And then underneath, we had this piece of carpet custom made. So lessons learned there is when you pull that piece of carpet out, make sure that you hold on to that for whomever is making the replacement piece of carpet so they can size it correctly. And this one worked out just right. We left the dinette simply because this is where I office when we're living in the RV, and it was very comfortable. You see this cushion? It's got an imprint for my butt right here, so I fit in there perfectly, and it's very comfortable for me. I had considered taking this piece out and having a bigger couch and then using a chair or something at the end. Still kind of toying with that idea, but once you have this all apart, it's very, very easy to sort of rearrange things, if you will. So as you can see through the back, the floors go all the way through the back and into the bedroom, and the trim along the floor here. And you can also see that in the bathroom it's very well finished out, and the edging is just a nice little touch. So going on through there. So the next time we do renovation, it's going to be this kitchen sink's going. This is going to go, and we're going to put a new countertop in. So the next time we talk, we'll have a whole new kitchen setup here with a backsplash. Not the backsplash you guys use, because that's horrible. But anyways, that's our new floor in our 2006 Jayco Seneca. Thank you very much. We appreciate your website. It's awesome. We get a lot of great tips there. I love your Tuesday shows, even though you won't answer my texts. Bye.
Bye.